If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, we have two ways that allow us to do so. The first method is to open Photos, and then in the library open the photo that you wish to set as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Now, in this case, we can tap on this share button in the bottom left corner, and you should be able to find use wallpaper option. You might also need to scroll up in case it's not visible. But after that, you should be able to choose the, you can customize the lock screen, of course, then you can press add and so on and so forth. But the second method is to go to home screen. Then over here, we can choose wallpaper, and you can either press on add new wallpaper button over here, or you can go all the way to the right side and you can press on this button. And then here we have photos option, so you can choose that. And then among these photos that you have in the gallery, you can choose the one that you wish to set as the wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So after you are done with the customization, of course, we can press add in the upper right corner. Then you can choose to set as a wallpaper pair, or you can customize the home screen wallpaper. I'm just gonna set as the pair for both home screen and lock screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.